get paid, little shorty get paid. 100,000 in the safe, couple thousand in the...
What is up, everybody? Welcome back again to Aemikart for another not so insane art video. You heard me right. Earlier today I tried to draw Pontiac made DDG and this happened.
Yeah, what's good, bro? You popping out tonight? You playing the curb? I know your ass probably staying in the curb, nigga.
Say no more, you already know.
Pop out, nigga.
I'm on my way.
Never stop, never settle. I got Henny all in my cup. I'm on top, I'm on a level, yeah. I'm tryna get to the back. Got it on lock, got it on smash, yeah. She tryna holler what's up. I'm with the shits, this how it is, yeah. When you on your way up.
Man, I went from a bag to a bag to a bag. I remember me and mama used to ride the cab. Pull up out the lot, no more lease, we paying cash. Show up to a crib, had the keys to a Jag. That's that light work, flexing so much it hurt. Used to rock hand-me-downs, now Versace down my shirt. I remember them days we couldn't wait for the first. Finally made me a meal, now we eating off the verse. Yeah, but I remember being hungry. Sardines, ramen noodles, and macaroni. Had that wick cheese sandwich with fried bologna. Don't want no pity, this part of my testimony. Yeah, I probably could've hit a lick with all my homies. Instead I played it cool and sat at home all by my lonely. You can go be stupid, I'll be fine with being phony. Cause I seen how that worked out for Cedric, Byron, and Joey. Now my brother's serving life in a day. Putting money on his books, gotta pray. Both families still grieving for a loss. Man, this is not a game you wanna play. Cause I went from a bag to a bag to a bag. I remember me and mama used to ride the cab. Pull up out the lot, no more lease, we paying cash. Show up to a crib, had the keys to a Jag. That's that light work, flexing so much it hurt. Used to rock hand-me-downs, now Versace down my shirt. I remember them days we couldn't wait for the first. Finally made me a meal, now we eating off the verse. Yeah, tell me what's worse, being hungry or stealing that woman purse. Both of my parents, they suffered a family curse. Now as a father, that got me on high alert. That's how it works, that's how it works. By 21, I should be 6 feet in the dirt, or in a cell, or in a hearse. I'm thanking God that with me it got reversed. To fitting in, I'm too adverse. The game dying, so I treat it like a nurse. It's hard work, I put God first. Not speaking truth is the way I reimburse. Cause I went from a bag to a bag to a bag. I remember me and mama used to ride the cab. Pull up out the lot, no more lease, we paying cash. Show up to a crib, hand the keys to a Jag. That's that light work, flexing so much it hurt. Used to rock hand-me-downs, now Versace down my shirt. I remember them days we couldn't wait for the first. Finally made me a meal, now we eating off the verse.
I know, you're probably already thinking it. It doesn't look anything like DDG. Maybe close enough. I mean, I probably got the tattoo right and the watch right, but the face, I don't know where I messed up, but I think I messed up in the lips. But this is something every artist will understand. You can't get everything right. I mean, you're gonna make mistakes sometimes, and I made a whole lot of mistakes in that drawing, but better luck next time, obviously. I mean, if you made it this far, obviously, subscribe to the channel. It's much needed. Subscribe, like the video if you enjoyed it. And I'm probably going to do better next time. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.